All right, let's jump right into today's AI briefing because we have some major news breaking in the world of artificial intelligence. The date is March 3rd, 2026. And yeah, just moments ago, we got confirmation of a really significant new release in the AI space. That's right. A brand new AI model is here. It's just gone public, and we've got all the details for you. So what are we talking about? Well, this is a major AI update. We're talking about the very latest model in the GPT-5 series. It's called GPT-5.3 Instant, and that name, Instant, really tells you everything you need to know. The whole point of this new model is to make those everyday conversations you have with AI way faster, much more natural, and, actually more useful. Okay, so that sounds great, right? But what does it actually mean for you and me? Let's break down the key improvements because this is how the model really changes the game. When you dig into the official release, it all boils down to 3 core upgrades. These are the things that really make this new model stand out. Okay, first up, faster response times. And we're not talking a little bit faster. We're talking a huge drop in that lag time, making your chats feel way more immediate, more like a real conversation. Then, number 2 is richer web search context. This is a big one. It means the model isn't just grabbing a single fact from the web anymore. It's actually looking at multiple sources and putting the information together to give you a much fuller, more relevant answer. And finally, number 3, more natural phrasing. They've apparently trained it on a whole new data set so it gets the little details of human conversation better. The goal? Less robotic talk, more engaging dialogue.
So you take those 3 things together. What does it actually feel like to use? Well, the end goal here is pretty simple. A more natural conversation. It's all about what this means for your actual user experience.
And this comparison really hits it home, right? On one side, you have all those common AI frustrations we know so well. Conversations that just stop. You get that awkward phrasing, those unnecessary warnings. But on the other side, that's the new experience they're aiming for. A much smoother flow where the AI actually gets the context and the conversation just feels, well, more natural. Okay, so let's zoom out for a second. This new model is cool, but what this release really signals for the entire field of AI is just how fast things are moving. We're talking about an accelerating pace of development. I mean, just look at this timeline. It really shows you how nuts this is. Back in December of 2025, we got a little add-on for GPT 5.2. Then just 2 months later, in February 2026, boom, GPT 5.3-Codex drops. And now here we are just in the first few days of March, and we already have GPT 5.3 Instant. We're seeing major, significant updates happening literally weeks apart. It's a textbook example of just exponential growth in action. With every single one of these updates, these things are changing from just being simple tools to becoming really sophisticated conversational partners. And that leaves us with a pretty big question, doesn't it? As AI becomes a better and better conversationalist, what kinds of conversations are we even going to choose to have with it? Something to think about. That's our briefing for today.